My name is Jerry Woods. I'm from Olive Branch, Mississippi. I've been following your content for over 5 years now until I decided to join the MAP program. The MAP program was actually my first deal. 4 units. It's a quadplex. The property is cash flowing, so I can't complain too much about that part of it. I really didn't have any doubt and no fears because, again, I don't know, one of the biggest things, you talk about credibility, correct?
Yes,
And
yes.
you already established that when I purchased the ebooks and I started seeing the results from that. So after that, I'm like, okay, what else do I have to lose? Let me go for it because it's constantly been a win-win situation for me. My credit score was already around like 720 by the time I started the MAP program. After that, after I acquired the property, I would say that as far as the cash flow is right now is at $220 some as far as cash flow, which is like a 9.18% cash on cash return. What I have now. Right before the MAP, I was right at 680.
Okay.
I'll say around like 2018, I was around 680. After that, I say probably around March to April of 2019, I was around the 730. Hey, I love it, man. When you walk into the bank, they look at you differently.
Man.
I really enjoy y'all professionalism. I spoke. That was like when I first joined the program. He was one of the first guys I was introduced to, and the professionalism is impeccable. And
Uh-huh.
I felt welcome. I felt welcome. I felt like you all had my best interest. In one of your videos, you talked about that real estate is a people's business, and you have to build relationships in the process. And so I've took that to mind as I was going through this through the MAP program. Look, I would say whatever they decide to do it. Again, um, just through just my experience alone, you establish your credibility with me because I've seen the results just starting off with the credit repair. Again, with the business credit, I've got positive results from that as well. And also with the MAP program. So it's a win-win-win situation, no matter which choice that they decide to choose. So my advice to them, go for it. Go for it. Don't be afraid. Just rely on the team and their knowledge. Y'all from 100% finance to let it do what it do because it will work. I tip my head off to the program. I've seen you grow throughout the years, and just with that alone, man, it's amazing. Seriously, especially a newbie like myself that never had the experience on the know-how where to get started. The thing about it, I just took a chance and just went for it.